guys, I wanted to share my favorite chocolate recipe, healthy for New Year's for 2025. Check it out. So we take equal parts cocoa butter or cocoa oil. Then we take cocoa powder and a little bit of maple syrup or other sweetener. I like maple syrup. And then you can add such things such as cocoa nibs or coconut flakes or goji berries or raisins, seeds, any nuts that you like, almonds, and you pretty much use a double boiler. And then once that water warms up, the coconut oil or coconut butter melts. Then you add cocoa powder. For this recipe, I use 1/3 of a cup cocoa powder, cocoa butter. And you can add vanilla or orange zest extract or peppermint. It also really can enhance the flavor and aroma of the chocolate. And 3 tablespoons maple syrup, and then I added a little bit cocoa nibs and coconut flakes. So hope you enjoy. This is my special brilliant treat that I like to eat, and it's healthy for you. It has antioxidants and it makes you feel good. Chocolate, who doesn't like chocolate? Let me know if you tried it. I'll love to hear in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and have a brilliant day.